हाय स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैं आपको क्लास 12 की बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पोएम जो पहले डिलीटेड थी सिलेबस से लेकिन अब है अ रोड साइड स्टैंड के बारे में बताने वाली हूँ। दिस इज़ रिटन बाय रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट। इस पोएम में बेसिकली रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट ने द प्लाइट ऑफ पुअर पीपल के बारे में बताया है, उनके स्ट्रगल्स के बारे में बताया है एंड उनकी लाइफ के बारे में बताया है। सो आइए चलिए अब हम आगे पोएम देखते हैं। पोएम अ रोड साइड स्टैंड रिटन बाय रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट। थीम है इस पोएम की द प्लाइट ऑफ द पुअर पीपल, मतलब उन लोग की लाइफ की सफरिंग्स। अब हम लिटरेरी डिवाइसेस देखते हैं। सबसे पहला है ट्रांसफर्ड एपिथेट। ट्रांसफर्ड एपिथेट होता है जहां पे एक पोएटिक एडजेक्टिव हम किसी वर्ड के साथ यूज करने की जगह किसी और वर्ड के साथ यूज करते हैं। पॉलिश्ड ट्रैफिक्स एंड सेल्फिश कार्स। सेल्फिश कार्स नहीं है, सेल्फिश सिटी ड्वेलर्स है। एंड ट्रैफिक इज नॉट पॉलिश्ड बट द cars and the vehicles are polished. Okay, personification is simple. It means human quality is given to something which is inanimate. Okay, so roadside stand that too pathetically pled. Pathetically pled matlab it is requesting, and the roadside stand is what? It is a cart of the vegetable sellers. Then second is sadness that lurks behind the window. Sadness that lurks is move about behind the window. Next is voice of the city. Voice of the city doesn't mean, voice of the country doesn't mean ki country ki आवाज. It means the people who are residing in that country उनकी आवाज. Next is alliteration. Alliteration मतलब two consecutive words जहाँ पे जिनकी same sounds हो वो use हो. So greedy good doers में है greedy good GG, then beneficent beasts and pathetically pled. Oxymoron is something जहाँ पर एक negative word और एक positive word साथ में यूज हो रहा हो. यहाँ पे greedy good doers and beneficent beast. Greedy good and beneficent beast. Beast जो होते हैं वो animals होते हैं. They are always killing and they are not beneficial at all. Next is metaphor. Metaphor means direct comparison. So flower of the city means people of the city. This adds to the beauty. And swarm over their lives means swarm कौन करते हैं? Generally bees and flies swarm. Okay, so it means that the poor people are compared to the bees and the flies. Teaching them to sleep, they sleep all day. It means city people are compared to teachers as they are teaching the poor people to sleep all day, and we make them work in the night time as a watchman or a guard. अब हम पोएम शुरू करेंगे और फर्स्ट 4 लाइन्स पढ़ेंगे इसके सबसे पहले. द लिटिल ओल्ड हाउस वॉज आउट विथ अ लिटिल न्यू शेड. लिटिल न्यू शेड मतलब लिटिल शॉप. इन फ्रंट एट द एज ऑफ द रोड वेयर द ट्रैफिक स्पेड. ट्रैफिक स्पेड मतलब स्पीडली मूविंग ट्रैफिक. एंड एज ऑफ द रोड इज रोड साइड स्टैंड, मतलब जो कार्ट्स होते हैं जो सेलर्स लगाते हैं. अ रोड साइड स्टैंड दैट टू पैथेटिकली प्लेड, दैट इज रिक्वेस्ट्स यू टू बाय देयर थिंग्स. It would not be fair to say for a dole of bread. Dole of bread is charity. So they are not asking for your charity towards them. But for some of the money, the cash whose flow supports, it means to earn money. The flower of cities from sinking and withering faint. The flower of cities means the people of city. It's a metaphor. Sinking and withering faint का मतलब होता है destruction. The polished traffic passed with the mind ahead. Polished traffic मतलब sophisticated people. It is a transferred epithet. Mind ahead मतलब people जो भी cars में जा रहे हैं वो सिर्फ अपनी destination पर focus कर रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं सोचते. और if ever aside a moment, then out of sorts. और अगर कभी सोच भी लेते हैं तो सिर्फ angrily ये सोचते हैं कि at having the landscape marred with the artless paint, मतलब destroy. Marred मतलब destroy. They have destroyed the landscape, the beautiful landscape with their artless paint, मतलब with not correctly spelled spellings. Okay. Of signs with N turned wrong and S turned wrong. So N and S वो लिखना नहीं आता है क्योंकि lack of education है. And offered for sale wild berries in wooden quarts. Wild berries are fruits and they sell it in wooden quarts. That is the wooden crates they have. Or crook-necked golden squash. Crook-necked is properly grown golden zucchini. Squash is zucchini, watery fruits basically with silver warts. Warts मतलब silver lines on the cover है उनके पास. और it is dry waste. Or beauty rest in a beautiful mountain scene. You have the money, but if you want to be mean, mean is greed. Why keep your money this crossly? Crossly is angrily. And go along. Go along means stop and buy something from them. Why don't you stop and buy something from them? The hurt to the scenery wouldn't be my complaint. so much as the trusting sorrow of what is unsaid. Unsaid matlab not saying anything and just buy. They are not saying anything but just buy something from them. Here, far from the city, we make our roadside stand and ask for some city money to feel in hand. We want you to buy things from us, to try if it will not make our being expand. मतलब वो कह रहे हैं कि obviously आप थोड़ा सा कुछ खरीद लोगे हमसे तो it won't increase our luxuries much, it won't give us lot of money, but some little money we want, so please buy something from us and give us the life of the moving pictures promise. मतलब जो भी movies and government जो भी promises करते हैं कि वो लोगों को opportunities देंगे and लोगों को पैसे मिलेंगे, so people do not to do a lot for such people. ठीक है, movies and government में people do a lot for such people, but reality में कोई कुछ नहीं करता उनके लिए. That the party in power is said to be keeping from us. So the party in power मतलब the government जो है it only promises and it doesn't do anything at all. All the promises are broken. It is in the news that all these pitiful kin matlab brothers and sisters, are to be brought out and mercifully gathered in. Mercifully matlab pitifully gathered in, to live in villages next to the theatre and the store, where they won't have to think for themselves anymore, while greedy good doers and beneficent beasts of prey swarm over their lives enforcing benefits. So greedy good doers and beneficent beasts of prey, I told you, ये जो लोग हैं, they are swarming over their lives. So they are swarming like bees over their lives, enforcing benefits that are calculated to soothe them. That is, that brings them out of their wits. And wits matlab senses. So यहाँ पे basically apathy of the city dwellers के बारे में बताया गया है. Apathy का मतलब क्या होता है? Unconcerned behavior. Of whom? Of the city dwellers. ठीक है? Of the rich people of the city dwellers. And by teaching them how to sleep, they sleep all day, destroy their sleeping at night the ancient way. So, ये मैंने आपको लिटरेरी डिवाइसेस करते टाइम बताया था दैट स्लीप ऑल डे मतलब जो गार्ड्स एंड वॉचमैन होते हैं दे हैव टू stay up all night and they are bound to sleep in the daytime. Sometimes I feel myself I can hardly bear the thought of so much childish longing in vain. Matlab desires and expectations, longing ka matlab. Then the sadness that lurks near the open window there, that is personification, sadness that moves about, that waits all day in almost open prayer. At least one person would stop to buy something from them. So they are praying for that. For the squeal of brakes. Squeal of brakes is onomatopoeia here. मतलब जहाँ पे sound and the way of writing is same. So squeal of brakes. The sound of a stopping car, of all the 1,000 selfish cars that pass. So the cars which only stop at their destinations. वो car and यहाँ पे transferred epithet है. Just one to inquire what a farmer's prices are. एक रुका था farmers के just prices जानने के लिए. Then and one did stop but only to plow up the grass. मतलब जो एक गाड़ी U-turn ले रही थी, so that car just destroyed the grass and went away. In using the yard to back and turn around, so taking a U-turn, I said, and another to ask the way where it was to bound. So उनकी destination या कुछ cars अपनी destination पूछने के लिए रुक जाती थी. So ये जो next two lines है, and another to ask could they sell it a 5 gallon of gas. They couldn't this crossly. They had none, didn't it see? So यहाँ पे अब ये जो sellers है वो angry है, वो ये कह रहे हैं कि आप लोग को दिखता नहीं है कि हम लोग के पास अपनी requirements पूरी करने के लिए चीजें नहीं है and हम लोग आपको 5 gallons of gas दे. So they are being angry at the city dwellers now. No, in country money, the country scale of gain. Country scale of gain मतलब the development. The requisite lift of spirit has never been found. जो भी requisite, required lift of spirit है, वो कभी भी enough नहीं है for the progress. Or so the voice of the country seems to complain. Voice of the country मतलब general public, it seems to complain. I can't help owning the great relief it would be to put these people at one stroke out of their pain. And then next day as I come back into the sane is senses, I wonder how I should like you to come to me and offer to put me gently out of my pain. So ये जो last two lines हैं इसका क्या मतलब है? That these These sellers want the rich people to do something which could bring them out of their pain, and the poet would also feel extremely elated, extremely happy after knowing that these city dwellers are doing something for these sellers. So इस सब का solution क्या है? एक ही solution है, it is good quality education. अगर इन सबको मिल जाए तो ये सब चीजें आएंगी ही नहीं इनकी लाइफ में, इतने struggles होंगे ही नहीं. They will be standing on their feet to work for themselves and to earn for themselves. So, अब यहाँ पे ये कुछ important words given है. ये words आप अगर अपने answers में use करोगे in the exams तो आपको पक्का marks मिलेंगे. For sure आपके कुछ marks बढ़ेंगे इन words की वजह से. So lastly, good luck students. Thank you. Ooh, the trigger. Ain't nobody gonna